Yo YouTube, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Tinder Gold in 2025. This uses a Tinder Gold promo code that you can literally enter in the Tinder website, and it's going to supply your existing account a gold membership for completely free. You can also get plus and platinum, guys, which are obviously carry different prices. So if we just click on here, for example, you can see gold is quite good, platinum is the best, and it is super pricey, and it seems like people usually search for gold on YouTube, hence the title of this video. But yeah, you can get platinum as well. So this is going to supply you with a promo code that's going to get you free Tinder Gold, and it's going to save you a little bit of money because the gold prices are getting pretty pricey. Now let's open up the internet. Go to your mobile phone internet. So it doesn't matter if you're on Android or iOS, you can do this. Just have an internet connection and go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So very important, you do go to Robot Coupons. This is obviously a coupon code website. I'm sure you figured that out, but they do have loads of different things on here. Actually, they got games and loads of stuff. So go to the search bar and just search for Tinder, and it should pop up Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. Click on this page. So just navigate your way to this page, guys, and you can get free 1 month free Tinder Gold, free Tinder Plus, or free Tinder Platinum, all working in 2025 and highly rated. So you can see these codes are limited in number, but there is a ton of them. So basically just select the one you want. I'm going to choose free Tinder Gold. So obviously this usually costs a bunch of money, so this prevents people from stealing unlimited amounts of these months. So limits 1 code per person. So tap on unlock code, and the process takes a few minutes, but it is super simple. I'll talk you through it. I won't drag the video on too long, so I'll just talk you through the steps that you need to take. So this is going to come up, code unlocker, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just need to unlock your code. And it says here, complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions below each app, and it takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So basically, guys, you need to complete 2 tasks that you see on this code unlocking screen. And these can be things like free mobile games that you need to play, or you can download, or you can complete surveys, for example. So this one here says, install, open, and complete chapter 4, so that's basically level 4. So this is like a mobile game where you click on it and you download it from the App Store and complete level 4. So basically just complete any 2 of these tasks, and once you've done that, it will redirect you back to this page with your full code unlocked, and you can enter it in the Tinder website, and it will upgrade your account to a gold membership. So go to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to this Tinder free gold upgrade coupons page, and select your code, and make sure you do fully complete the verification to unlock your code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.